Every bicyclist knows that wobbly wheels means it's time to drop your bike off for a tune-up. That means money spent and time lost. With TruSpoke, we set out to change that.
My name is Tomer Handel. I've been riding motorcycles for over 20 years, have a master's in mechanical engineering. I started to work on this tool because I had a problem with my motorcycle BMW 1200 GS. It has spoke wheels and every once in a while they get misaligned.
A wobbly wheel can be very dangerous, and having them trued is an essential part of regular maintenance.
Find out that some of the BMW dealerships, they actually send it to a specialist. Charges a lot of money, it takes a long time.
Being a DIY enthusiast, he decided to try it himself.
The conventional way, you have to go to every spoke and keep rotating the wheel, keep adjusting the spokes. This process takes a very, very long time. I managed to finally true the wheel, but when I tried to do it again, I couldn't repeat the process.
Using the tool that the manual told him to do, and he was following that process, and it was just such a struggle. I think it was his frustration that made me so fascinated in this, and I knew that there was a better way to do it.
Truing a wheel with our tool was easy and reduced the labor time to about 1 hour. Not only that, we managed to repeat the process every time. Over a period of months, Tomer and his close friend Todd managed to brainstorm the final design and prototype several versions of this tool. They machined all the metal parts and 3D printed the plastic bit, solving design issues as they went. TruSpoke is a fusion specialty tool, combined from a drive extension tool and a depth gauge. It's more accurate, more efficient, and less time-consuming than any alternative out there.
The BMW wheels, they have a 1.7 millimeter range. When I'm using the TruSpoke tool, I actually got it to even half of the requirement.
So, how does it work?
So the basic idea of TruSpoke is to measure the distance between the tip of the spoke and the face of the nut. After threading the nut over the spoke and using the measuring tip of the TruSpoke, sliding it inside the nut, what's nice about TruSpoke is as you tighten the nut, you can see the numbers increasing and measuring that distance. By torquing to the same number, we actually can make sure that each spoke has the same distance between the rim and the center.
Just like the bicycle tool, we change the accessory tip and we can torque the motorcycle wheel. Check every number before I say it's ready to ride.
We developed a tool to fix spoke wheels.
And then we started showing other people this product and they said, man, you can use that for working on engines and measuring stretch bolts. And people love the idea because instead of using 2 different tools, you can use this one tool. And it does the task of tightening the bolt and measuring the stretch.
The TruSpoke tool comes in a 4-inch version and a 6-inch version.
Because the TruSpoke tool was designed to work with basic tools you already have in your toolbox, you can use it with any 3/8-inch ratchet. That means you can use it on an impact wrench, on a torque wrench. Because it's based on some standard inspection equipment, the fastener tip can be replaced to be used from Torx bits, flathead screwdrivers, Phillips head screwdrivers, or just using an open-ended wrench. We think there's even more applications out there, and we're very excited to see how other people end up using the tool. So we're not a big company. We don't have lots of funding. We've prototyped a tool, modifying standard equipment and 3D printing the plastic parts. But to really ensure the accuracy and precision of this tool, it needs to be made with precision equipment, and we need funding to do that.
We're mechanical engineers, we have our full-time job, but we really, really believe in this product, and we think that you're going to enjoy using this tool and appreciate it as much as we do.
Our final design is set, but in order to provide more customers with these high-quality tools, we need to invest in further tooling and manufacturing. With all the vendors and manufacturers lined up, the last step is you. Help us fund this wonderfully efficient tool by picking up one for yourself at the discounted KickStarter price. It's all or nothing funding around here, so tell your friends that ride or even any mechanics that you know. Help us save people time and money with TruSpoke.